This is an instructional video on how to make a very cheap, lightweight backpacking stove. Tuna fish can, and you just cut a series of 16 holes, take you a little Sharpie and mark the top of it, and then ever so often make a second hole just a little bit lower. And it's an alcohol stove. I use the yellow heat. It's a gas dryer like you put in your gas tank. That comes in a red bottle and a yellow bottle. The yellow bottle is the best. It burns hotter, it burns cleaner, doesn't put off a bunch of black soot or anything like that. You can go out and get those aluminum fuel bottles made by MSR, Trangia, any of those. I just take and repurposed a soda bottle, put a piece of gray duct tape around it, and wrote heat on it where I know what's in there. And that's what I use for my fuel. I took a old turkey pan like you'd use, aluminum pan, cook a turkey in, and I make that for my windshield. So I took the bottom part of it, made a little place where I can set my stove, kind of give it a little fire pad and everything. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little pot with about 2-3 cups of water in it, and we're going to heat it up and get it to boiling and show you how this works. Okay, I'm going to pour a little bit of heat in this can. Not quite up to those holes. Put my lid back on my fuel. I'm going to use my knife real quick and my ferro rod and start this real quick. Let it burn for about 15 seconds. Set my pan on there. Here in a moment, it should start jetting as it gets a little hotter. Put my windshield on here. Okay. Let it burn there and boil, and I'll restart it back when it starts boiling. I meant to mention that I used a drill bit to cut the holes in the can. Some people use a paper punch to make the holes. I just used a drill bit. You could probably take a large nail and do the same thing. But I can hear it jetting. I don't know if you can hear that or not. But the windscreen will help direct that heat onto the pan so it starts boiling the water quicker. And as soon as it starts boiling, I'll restart the video.